Hotel. A hotel is a place that provides temporary lodging or accommodation to people who are traveling on vacation or on business trips. It is one of the most common and popular types of accommodation in a tourist industry. Hotel are offers or suites for guests to stay in along with a variety of services and facilities such as food, drinks, housekeeping, entertainment, and sometimes even luxury experiences. People usually stay in hotels for a short period of time from the one night to several days. The main purpose of a hotel is to give travelers a comfortable, safe, and convenient place to stay away from home. Hotels also aim to provide hospitality, which means making guests feel welcome and cared for. Motel. A motel, short for motor hotel, is a type of accommodation that was originally designed to serve motorists and travelers with cars. Motel became popular in 1920s to 1950s when road trips and car travel were becoming common, especially in countries like United States. They are usually found along highways or near major roads, providing convenient, affordable, and easy to access lodging or travelers who are on the move. Resort. A resort is a luxury or leisure-oriented accommodation designed to provide relaxation, recreation, and entertainment all in one place. Unlike regular hotels or motels, a resort is not just a place to sleep. It's a destination on its own, offering a wide range of activities, dining options, and scenic experience that allows guests to enjoy their vacation without needing to help the property. The word resort comes from the idea of a place people resort to for rest, relaxation, and enjoyment. Resorts are often located in beautiful natural settings such as beach, mountains, lakes, or tropical islands, and are designed to provide guests with complete vacation experience. People visit resorts for holidays, honeymoon, family vacation, business retreats, and wellness escapes. Guest house. A guest house is a small home-like accommodation that provides lodging to travelers or guests, often in a friendly, personal, and affordable environment. Unlike large hotel or resort, guest houses are usually family-owned and have a warm, welcome atmosphere that makes guests feel like they're staying in someone's house rather than a commercial property. Guest houses are popular with backpackers, budget travelers, and tourists who want to comfortable stay at a lowest cost while staying enjoying local hospitality and culture. Hostel. A hostel is a type of a budget-friendly accommodation that provides shared lodging, usually dormitory-style rooms for travelers, students, and backpackers. Hostels are designed to be affordable, social, and convenient, making them especially popular among young travelers, solo adventurers, and students who want to meet new friends and explore new places without spending too much money. Bed and breakfast. A bed and breakfast is a small lodging establishment that offers overnight accommodation and a homemade breakfast the next morning. Unlike hotels or resorts, a B&B is often family-owned and operated, providing a personal, cozy, and home-like experience for guests. The name itself explains what is offered: a bed to sleep and breakfast in the morning. These two simple figures are the heart of B&B experience, comfort, hospitality, and taste of home. Apartment. An apartment, or more specifically a service apartment, is a type of accommodation that combines the comfort and space or a home with the services and convenience of a hotel. It is an idea for people who want to stay for a longer period, weeks or months, and prefer a home-like environment instead of a typical hotel room. Service apartments are often used by business travelers, families on vacation, students, or people relocating to a new city. They offer furnished living space, kitchen facilities, and hotel-style amenities, making them both practical and comfortable. Cottage or cabin. A cottage or cabin is a small cozy house usually located in countryside, mountains areas, or near lakes or beaches. These types of accommodation are designed to offer a peaceful, natural, and home-like environment far from the noise and busy atmosphere of the city. Cottage and cabin are very popular among travelers who want to relax, enjoy nature, and experience privacy and comfort. They can be used for vacation, honeymoons, family trips, or week getaways. Villa. A villa is a large, luxurious, and private type of accommodation, often located in scenic areas such as beaches, mountains, or countryside settings. It offers spacious living space, exclusive facilities, and high level of comfort and privacy, making it ideal for families, group, or couples looking for premium holiday experience. A villa is like a private house for vacation or leisure stays. Unlike hotels where guests share the same building and facilities, a villa gives you complete privacy. It's entirely yours during your stay. Homestay. A homestay is a type of accommodation where travelers or guests stay in the home of local family experiencing the local culture, lifestyle, and traditions firsthand. Instead of staying in a hotel or resort, guests live in the host's actual home, often sharing meals, daily activity, and sometimes even family events. It is one of the most authentic and personal ways to experience a destination. Homestay can be arranged through travel agency, educational exchange program, or online platforms such as Airbnb, Homestay.com, or Couchsurfing, depending to the arrangement. The guest may have private room or sometimes facilities like the kitchen, bathroom, and living room with the host family. Lodge. A lodge is a type of accommodation that provides travelers with a comfortable place to stay, often located in natural and rural settings such as mountain, forests, lakeside, or natural parks. Lodges are designed to give guests both comfortable and close connection with nature. Unlike hotels are not usually found in cities, lodges are typical, small, and more peaceful, and built with natural material like wood or stone to blend with their surroundings. They're popular among eco-tourists, adventure travelers, and nature lovers. Camping or caravan. Camping and caravaning are types of outdoor accommodation that allows travel to stay close to nature, often natural park, beaches, forests, or open countryside, instead of staying in permanent building like a hotel or lodge. Guests live temporarily in tent, caravan, or camper vans. These type of accommodation are popular among adventure seekers, family, and nature enthusiasts who enjoy outdoor living, fresh air, and freedom travel. They are also ideal for those who are exploring new places at their own pace.